Looking for the best outdoor fireplaces? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 outdoor fireplaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Bond Manufacturing, Gas Fire Pit Outdoor Firebowl. A sturdy and versatile fire pit with a steel frame and a rubbed bronze finish. Lightweight and portable design. Comes with a lid, stones, tank holder, gas hose, and regulator. This high-quality fire pit is safe for wood decks and great for camping or tailgating. A few customers noted fire is difficult to ignite. At number 2. BALI Outdoors, Wood-Burning Fire Pit Backyard with Cooking Grill. Black round fire pit without a ledge around the central fire area. Grill can swivel 360 degrees, swing left or right, and adjust up and down. Round steel ring fixed on the 4 legs stabilizes fire pit. Collapsible triangle frame rack holds logs for better ventilation and provides plenty space for fire. Safe to use. Easy to assemble. Comes with poker and log rack. This sturdy fire pit comes with a cooking grill that adjusts to your needs. A few buyers noted product can rust. At number 1. Sunnydaze, 30 inches Royal Outdoor Fire Pit Bowl. Large, heavy-duty fire pit designed with thick steel and black high-temperature paint finish. Includes mesh spark screen protector to protect from flying sparks, poker tool for easy flame or log control, and wood grate for better airflow. Quick and easy to assemble. This durable, wood-burning fire pit is a great addition to your outdoor space and is built to last. Some customers noted product can get rusty. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.